Hello everyone, I am Sindhuja from Mahendra Hills College. Today I would like to discuss some words which are generally found to be confusing either in our normal conversation or by making meaningful sentences. Let us discuss some confusing words here. The first one is stationary with the spelling stationary and the other one is stationary with the spelling stationery. Do you find any difference between these two words? Yes, these both pronounced in the same way but they have different meaning. And there is also a slight difference in the spelling too. Stationary with the spelling stationary, which means not moving. Stationery with the spelling stationery, which means office supplies such as paper, book, pen, pencils, etc. Have a look at these sentences again. Stationery with the spelling stationery, stationery with the spelling stationery. When we hear them, sound similar. But when we look at the difference, stationary which ends with ARY is an adjective which means not moving. Stationary which ends with ERY is a noun which refers to office supplies. Let us see an example now. The one that is carrying office stationery crashed into a stationary vehicle. Let us look at the other confusing word now. The one is desert, DESCRT. The other one is desert, DESSCRT. They only differ in one extra S word in the word desert. Furthermore, they both pronounced in different manner. Desert, DESCRT. I hope we all are familiar with this word desert. Desert, which means a large area of a land where a little water is present and few plants are growing on it. Example, nobody likes to live in the desert. Yes, right, we don't want to live in that hot, dry, sandy area. Here, the desert refers to dry, hot, sandy area. And the other word is desert, DESSCRT, which means sweet food that is eaten at the end of a meal. For example, if you don't finish your dinner, you won't get your dessert. Here, dessert refers to sweet food that we have at the end of a meal. Let us move to the other confusing word, that is allowed, ALOUD, and allowed, ALLOWED. These both pronounced exactly the same, but there is a lot of difference. Allowed, ALOUD, which means to speak out loud. I am speaking aloud right now. This is an example. Here, allowed, ALOUD, allowed refers to speak out loud. And the other one is allowed, ALLOWED. It is a past form of verb allow. It is also an adjective which shows permission. For example, you are not allowed to wear your shoes inside the house. Here, allowed, ALLOWED, shows permission. Let us move to the other confusing word, that is principle and principle. PRINCIPLE, principle, and PRINCIPAL, principle. These two words used to confuse me all the time. Principle, 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 which means a law or a rule, a guideline or a fact. You might also heard the expression like she is a woman or he is a man of principle, which means they always do what is right. They always do what is morally right. And the other one is principal, Principal. Principal is a noun and also an adjective. Principal as a noun, which means head of something. For example, we have a meeting with the school principal this evening. Here, principal refers to the head of a school. Principal as an adjective, which means the most important. For example, our principal concern is the safety of the children. Here, principal refers to the most important. Thank you, everyone.